Díréifh Harja, is Bishop Brónagh agus tá mé I Mahoney an seo ar an Lurgain. Drastal mé ar scoilmhara agus ar scoil Níomh Mícheál, agus dólam mé ma huid Gaeilge an sin. Hi everyone, my name's Brónagh and I live in Lurgan and I'm a past pupil of St Mary's and St Michael's, and I learnt a lot of my Irish there. Is cuid táhachtach de Mícheál I an Gaeilge. Irish is a very important part of my life. I studied it in school and then I later went on to do my degree in Irish to become a teacher in St Mary's University College in Belfast. So today I just want to say a big shout out to all of the College de Ronan students who are enjoying Seachtain ní Gaeilge. Tá súlag am gohfuil si fud buint ar halt agus tarva as. Well, tá an Gaeilge hartóirín an tamar fad. The Irish language is all around us all of the time. In our surnames, for example, anyone with the surname with Mac in it, that it comes from the Irish word Mac, meaning son of. So if you have Macana, for example, McCann, or any names like that with Mac in it, is derived from the Irish, meaning son of. In our place names, for example, around this area there are lots of Derrys, Derry McCash, Derry Trosna, Derry Ad, Derry Moor, Ballinderry, all coming from the Irish word Dura, meaning oak tree. So for example, Ballinderry, Ballia and Dura, meaning town of the oak tree. Some of you who are studying A-level Irish may have come across the poet Peadar Ó Dornín. The reason why I mention him is because he lived in Lurgan for a number of years. Peadar Ó Dornín lived in Brónagh House. He was the resident bard to the Brónagh family, and he also was the teacher to the Brónagh children. So that's just a fun fact. If you ever come across the poet Peadar Ó Dornín, one of his most famous poems was Ur Chorcéan Vicaiche, and I studied that poem at AS level. I'm not sure if it's still on the syllabus, but if you ever come across it, then you'll remember that he lived in Lurgan for a while, many years ago, of course. Tá súlag am gohain hí sibh sult as Seachtain ní Gaeilge. I hope you enjoy the rest of Seachtain ní Gaeilge. Use your Irish and be proud of it. It's not about how well you speak it. It's about using the Irish that you have. So, úsid bhur gud Gaeilge agus buinigí sultas. Slán live.